Hi guys, I'm Emily now. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you this gorgeous black sheer bodysuit with sparkles, and I am absolutely in love with it already. This piece is super versatile. You can pair it with high-waisted jeans, a mini skirt, or even layer it under a blazer for a night out. What I love most is that it's very stretchy, so it can fit multiple sizes comfortably. It hugs the body really nicely without feeling tight. If you look closely, you'll see it's made of a fine mesh material, which gives it that see-through effect. And the little sparkles all over just catch the light beautifully. It's such a statement piece. Alright, I'm going to put it on now. Be right back. You can just vibe with some music here or imagine me doing a little happy dance because I love this one so much. Okay, here it is on, and wow, I really love how it looks. You can really see how shimmery it is when the light hits it. It's subtle, but super eye-catching. The fit is amazing, snug, but super comfortable. And that stretchy mesh is doing wonders. It smooths everything out while still being breathable. The transparency adds a sexy touch without being too much. It's all about how you style it. You can wear it over a bralette or even layer it with a jacket if you want a more covered look. Definitely a new favorite in my wardrobe. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye bye.